Hello everyone, in this demo I will show you my favorite setup for generating PPT files from Excel data. This is super cool automation that only uses Excel VBA. You don't need to write any PowerPoint code for this. If this is your first time watching my video, please take a moment to read this. Alright, let's get started with our demo. So for this automation we need two files. An Excel file that has all the codes and data and a PowerPoint file that has all the design and formatting elements. Let's open our Excel file first. As you can see, the Excel file has this custom tab with two buttons. One to generate the PPT file and another one to set the PowerPoint template file. The main sheet has these three tables where we need to specify which data we want to update in PowerPoint. This first table is for text or value update. Second table is for updating tables and third one is for charts. Sales sheet contains some fake sales data that we will use for our presentation. Now let's open the template file. I have created this simple PowerPoint file to demonstrate all the features of this setup. We are going to populate this PPT with Excel data in just few seconds. Now let me show you how easy and fast this works. First, we need to set the template part using this settings button. Just select your PPT template file and click on update to save the part. You only need to do this once for each template. Then click on generate report to create new PPT with Excel data. The PPT files are generated in the same folder as your Excel file. Let's check it out. And it looks perfect. All the tables are editable and so is the chart if you need to make any minor changes. PDF file is also generated for your convenience. Let me show you how to set up this automation for any PPT file. First, I will clear the existing data and create new PPT file from the existing one. I am going to use the first slide from the existing one because I am just lazy. So on this first slide, we need to update three values: company, project and date. For this, we need to assign input names for each text box. To do this, just open selection pane using Alt F10, select your text box and type a name. Also notice that I am using period at start of all text inputs, so we can easily tell which text box are inputs for our macro. Let me add one more input here. I am adding client name to this Excel report. Also adding this input on PowerPoint slide. Now let's generate new report with this template. First, I will set the template part from the settings and then click on generate button. Let's open new report and see how it looks. It's looking good. We can see all four values are populated from our Excel data. Now let's add more stuff to our template. We can apply any formatting we like to our text box. Excel macro will only update the values, keeping original formatting as it is. Also adding few slides with project name at the corner. Also updating fonts. and let's generate new PPT. And it's working perfectly. To update tables from Excel, we just need to provide the table name, sheet name, and the range of our table. We also need to create shape on our PowerPoint template to indicate where and how big we want our table to be. The name of the shape should match with the name of the actual table. One more thing, we can resize shape as we like to fit our table perfectly. Let's add project name and date on the corner for testing purpose. Generating new PPT. And table is updated. We can also apply some formatting to our table on Excel to make it look nicer. I'm also adding another table here just as an example. We will call it data table 2 and specify its sheet and range. Also updating same thing on Excel and also updating its range value. One change from our first table is that this one is Excel table, so it will have specific range name. Benefit of this table is that we can move it anywhere on our sheet without worrying about messing with our inputs. Let's generate another PowerPoint file and see if both our tables are updated with correct formatting. It's looking good. Now for the chart, let's add another slide with the shape and set that name to sales chart 1. On Excel, make sure to update name of a chart from selection pane using Alt F10. Also update chart input table. Generating new PPT. And charts are now updated from Excel. You can add as much stuff as you need with this setup. Add more slides, add more inputs, there is no limitations. This will also work with any theme or formatting you like without any issue. For example, you can fully automate your monthly or quarterly presentation with this and save tons of time. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any question or suggestions for this setup, please let me know in the comments below.